Any Mika, extended out. Next couple, Rihanna Tolai and Louis. See you. Last couple, Karen Bella and Sana Lomitusi.
Mami, 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 mami. Mami, mami. Mami, mami, mami. Let's go, let's go.
Welcome to Maid of Honor in the best meet. Fela, Lumia, and Rizia Alum. Could you please all stand up so we can welcome the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Noah. You may be seated. Thank you. We set up the table. You guys sit up at the front. one thing that I wanted the minister of the church, please come to the front, please. Talina? Come on. Kota. This is the army of the right. We call it in Pama, Estafajo. Thank you. I'll introduce myself. My name is Sione. I'm the eldest in the Brothers of Seth. The father of the bride is my younger brother. And from the Pewa family, we welcome all the North family to our family. We're all here tonight, today. We only just here to enjoy the food, but we are here to join and connect the two families together. Now, I know that I have a son-in-law, but I think he's part of our family anyway. He's not Samoa anyway. But thank you very much for everyone coming to celebrate this couple's wedding. Basically we need to do, we get the minister to say a prayer and bless the food and everything. That's what we do. We get going from there. Thank you.
Let us pray. Thank you, Father, for bringing Zakayo and Mona Lisa together in such a happy way. Lord, bless this couple and their future together. May happiness and joy be a hallmark of their relationship. Bless both families for their support. Bless the food we are about to receive, and let this reception be an honor to you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Thank you. I wanted to know who is doing the speech from both sides of the family, welcoming both parties to the wedding. One from the Samoan, one from the Tongan. Please. Anyway, the welcome. Okay, if that's not going to happen, let me introduce my brother, say something from the Pewa family.
Sorry to my Samoan family, I can't speak Samoan. Since the beginning of the wedding this morning, there were only 3 names that I can understand in Samoan. The first one was Ngaluena, the second one was Mona Lisa, and the third one was, what was the name again? Samoan. They put it in Samoan name, but in English, I call him Sek. The first time that I met Sek, it was in the middle of the night, like 2 o'clock in the morning. My daughter gave me a call, because I told my kids, if you want to go out at night, and if you feel like drinking alcohol, give me a call to come pick you up, take you home. And then when I received a call from my daughter, I thought, okay, I get up and get ready to go pick her up. And then when I was ready, I called her. Where do I pick you up from? And she goes, from the police station. And I said, what? Police station? And then, which one? The one in Flatbush. So I went straight there, and I took my wife with me, and we were sitting in the car, waiting for her to come out. And I saw someone walking on the road, from one end to the other. And I said to my wife, that looks familiar to me. I think I know this guy. And then my daughter came out, and then the first thing she said to me, did you see Sek? I said, who? Sek. And then I knew they were walking on the road. And when we picked them up, the only thing that I can hear from him is that I love you, Mona Lisa. I said, what? I love you, Mona Lisa. And my daughter said, I think he's scared of you. And I said, I know you took my daughter away from me. And thank you to you and the family. So sorry I can't speak Samoan. I can only speak Tongan or English. I know that you love my daughter. The second time I picked him up from the sea. And he still said the same thing. Even though he hopped into my car, the only thing I can hear is say, I love you, Lord. Sek, I love you too. You took my daughter away from me. And I hope and I know that you will look after her. And thank you. And to your family, Langwena is my grandmother's name. And Mona Lisa is my daughter's name. I always call her Lucky. Lucky is one of the middle names. And every time we get in the car, he always reminds me of my daughter's name, Mona Lisa. I always call her Lucky. A big thank you, all of your families here, all of your families. We are united as one now. Tongan and Samoan family. Thank you.
Le isa mo maule. E fa na lo fa ta sie nei as. Na o sa nga fa tai. Vi atu I le atu I na wa tau lau le fa mo mo. Ya so nei na fa ye o va sa tu te ori ma fi ye. Wa tau lau le fa mo mo e o pe o na to faina. Ya so sa lupe. E o tau via le fa mo mo. Wa le fa na. Fa mo via le tua ya te o rua. Pa tai fai fe au sunga le. Pai fat poi ponga. E o puta ua e pe o na ti mai ai le whanau e pe o na tu fantasia e fai poi ponga. Le ngata I na a ngare upo mo I lau. Ia e whapea fo I le mamanu ma le au fia wao I poto nei wa engo yasu. Ia e meise o le pa ia ma le mamanu le palau ia. O tātou mafuta. ia le li whaaftairo tō tala sapaia, le whatala ula atu, ia o le ungari fau, e maiso pa ia o ainga ngā dua, wā le whaamoe moi o le whanau, ia le li. Ia maiso o ainga ngā dua, whaaftairo tā pena, sa uni le aso o mata mo fi ai le whaamoe moi. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. For the gift of life and for the gift of the new wedded couple. Congratulations. I would like to take this good opportunity as I speak on behalf of the groom family. We would like to extend our warm welcome to each and every one who has witnessed this unite ceremony. Therefore, we would like to say, Ta lofa, ta lofa, ta lofa lau. To the men of the house, our host for today's event, thank you so much for this opportunity that you have given to me so that I can cherish this moment with everyone who has been part of today's occasion. Before I move on, I would like to thank you, Pastors Reverend Tavita, for leading us today with a prayer. Thanks for the word of encouragement and for preaching the holy word of God. It enlightened us and it led us to weigh our difficulties, not only for the wedded couple, but for everyone who witnessed this ceremony. Secondly, we would like to say thank you, our main guest of honor, for those of who have been invited for today's event. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for being part of this event and for cherishing this occasion together with Mr. and Miss Noah Sakai. This event will never push through it. It wasn't for each and every one of you. Thank you. Thank you. May our Heavenly Father grant many more blessings upon each and every one of you. Last but not the least, our special thanks to the both family, Mrs. Mona Lisa Spear's family, and our side as well. Thank you for entrusting your love for Mr. and Mrs. Noah's event. Thank you for being the most supportive families ever, for pushing them to where their future should be, and for giving them hope. I believe that by your support and the truth words of encouragement, these two will never be born out. Thank you for leading them to win every single challenge. And by showing them the right path they should be walking on this occasion, wouldn't be blessed without you all. To the King and Queen of Tonga, Mr. and Miss Noah Sakai. Congratulations, guys. You have set an example for each of everyone who has witnessed this day. You have set the path for your youth generations and for reminding us that this sacrament is the true foundation of life. May our heavenly grant more blessings upon both of you and lead you to every single journey of life.
Thank you very much for the nice speech. Everyone, the food is ready. 2 tables down at the back there. You can go on either side. We can start from that end. Don't forget there are 2 tables. So 1 table can start from over there. 1 table can start from the other table. Let's enjoy the food. No one, you see,
hungry right now.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up.
Hello, everybody. There's a rule for this building. People, you're not allowed to take drinks outside. Drink outside. No food taken outside. Please, just enjoy your food here inside the building and your drink. Thank you. One thing that I have to say, I'm sorry, but I have to say. When I first came to New Zealand, I didn't know how to speak English. There's a lady that saying that she can teach me how to speak English. She's half Samoan, 40% Tongan, 5% English, and 5% New Zealand. Most important thing that she said, if you wanted to learn how to speak English, let everything know. Not everybody. She said, you wanted everyone to know it? Say hello. But I thought that she was saying, hello everyone, everybody. Hello everything. Now I said, hello everything. She knows, and she let me know if there is something that I said, make sure that the world knows. So, hello everything, hello the world. Thank you. Enjoy your food.
E kore peke u kama he whakatapu, kau whakaangai pe kore a whakatonga koe tonga au, Samoa. I'm not talking to you. But I speak in Tonga, and my sister. Okay, kung whakamalola he at katik mong tolu, e kaina he fiastoen. Katireke whai e whamalo mo ngā whatongia, au kou tomu atuku ha whawheta e mo whamalo, ke o tua mafi, ko uhi, ko ni whakatau la mahau, o la mai ho tau whatongia he aho ko e ni. O whakawheta i leo ngona e iai ngā kausa ne hoko mai, kai whakawheta i peko e waka i sisu ko karaisi. Ka o whiawhia ke kau ngā tuu ai pe he ahoni, ke whai hok ngai whatongia ko i koe whanau ko e ni. Koe tau polo kalama ko he ahoni, koe ki mea sisi pe. Koe ki mea sisi pe ia, kai ke lahi ia. Koe whakakonga ia pe uraki maari ai ta hene kon ko tupu laki, ngane talamai e maari, pa ko whiawhia, ko hui koe tamasi ko siaki, o ku hamoa, whiawhia ko hui koe whakahoko he ahoni. Kai ki muia e o ate whakapalangi a tau toi hokoa.
Okay, to tell you the truth, that was way too much. I thought it was one sentence in Tongan to one in English. Okay, well, I'm going to make up my own. Basically, to the non-Tongans who don't understand the Tongan culture, whenever there's a gathering, for example, birthday, graduation, funerals, like today, weddings, the mother's side of the bride, okay. All right. Okay. You guys have done too much. As part of their appreciation to the groom's family, we give away the Tongan mats and the tapa, and there are certain people that we give it to. And it's an indication of your status within the family dynamics. Because it's a family gathering, we do away with the community side of it. And of course, the 5 hours are given. So I think I'll hand it over to my Tongan counterpart now. Oh, but before that, she did thank everybody for joining us today. And really, this is the first daughter of Mona Lisa and Gabu that's getting married. So, yeah, so I think the father of the groom had mentioned earlier, she has paved the way for the likes of the other sisters, not including me. So I'm going to hand it over to Mrs. Walter now.
Malo, o kore whamore pe hen ke o mea mari. Whakamore tu watu ke tofi ho omo keke. Ka ospea ko yang te hoka tu lewa e tau polo kalama. Malo.
All right, this is the time for the bride and groom to cut their cake. Chop chop.
Ko mau mai here ke keke.
I always carry a knife.
She's just saying that after they cut the cake, after the bride and the groom cut their cake, if the parents of the groom can please join them for photographs.
Malo, ke te uo mohere, Ono ke ofi, kaki o moki me keke.
Sorry guys, too many cakes.
E te uafa o e ko si suka laisi, tofi aki hono keke. E te u paspasi.
Use the fork and feed him, feed her, or not do the fun way. Get a piece of this.
Better not.
Paspasi ai malo.
Oh, you stay here. You have photo. Stay in the back.
May both the parents please join the bride and groom for photographs. Please.
Stay here.
Kepo, where are you? Come on, hurry. With a smile, come on. Come on, big fat smile. Come on, Mona Lisa, smile.
Wait, one more.
Kepo, your arm over her shoulder. Come on, Kepo, come on. Closer, move closer. I'm the boss here. Do as you're told. Hurry up. All right, individual photos of the bride and groom with each set of parents. One set of parents at a time. Lisa. Lisa.
Oh yes, smile.
One more. Okay. Big time. See? Yeah. Itu your manual photo. Ikut jalan saya. Okay.
Auntie, may tangan pa ay hugi.
And Anna too, the fire cookie.
Yes. Nice. Beautiful.
All right, next up will be the bridal party, please. With or without your bottle of beer. Yeah, the bridal party are going out for photographs now, please.
The back? Right? Silvia. Up. No, it's all right, all right. It's all right.
All right, everybody
Yeah,
smile.
that's good. Nice.
Don't crack the screen of the camera, just smile.
You see the camera? There one. There one. Take care.
Oh, you all look beautiful. All right, the floor is open to anybody who would like to take photographs with the bride and groom. Yeah?
Stay here.
All right, DJ. Oh, take it for now for Hasin. Tahu pasti. Welcome to come up for photos before we move on. Ty, take your one up for photos if you like.
I know you have another one, but next to my tutu.
Hey!
Kia hoko atu lewa he kui ai pe ngahi whatongi au ku kei toi mai me mu. Malo.
Kukuia ka toki mea maka ni wau.
Aha. O ose ka whaita?
Ia malo.
Malo. Te tau hoko atu rewa ki he ki i kolo kalama koe li a aku.
Okay, now we are moving on to the part where the mother of the bride will put certain people on the pedestal today.
Kata mai kau ngawi nau tala ka motoro ke takatu ki mea koe kuui pe ha uleva.
Well, this is the part where she's growling at them over there.
Te wai keke uluaki. Te wai keke uluaki koe keke a ngome a mari.
Okay. Okay, we are giving away the cakes now. The top cake, do you hear me? The top cake is for the bride and groom. All right, come on, DJ. This is the part where you play the music. I'll put the thing.
If you
Estamos en el furí.
Hi. koe keke ai o ea maari. Koe ki koloa kau ku te wi koe ki koloa ku tolu pe. Whakawhenga pe ki hoku masiwa. Ka mo kore whamalmoe pe ka te mōtolu na mō pehe o ku nai totonu ki aha mō koloa. Ka ui kai ke plare a kiai, mō mea e pe ai whanonga a ngā. Ai fō mai whaingata, ka koe tō te fo i wike koe ni, o maari ai tahine koe ni. Ka koe hā pe ki mea koe oku o mau, o ia pe o kua ki. Koe te teo mai ai keke uu aki, keke uu aki, to te teo mai mo hono mea ke tonga hapai aki. Te teo mai mo mea ai whahu. Tagatu mai ki ai o toko mai o whakamongo mai.
Again, excuse me, again for the non-Tonga, non-Tongans, whenever we give away cakes, we tend to give it with a piece of the iegonga, and also accompanied by the Tongan tapa and the mets. So this cake here is going to be given to the bride's mehikitanga, the bride's aunt, who is over here at the top table. The lady in blue. Her name is Catalina. Smile, Catalina.
Keke uaki, o keke ai tahine whahu e aho ni. Tahine ko Katarina Samate. O kuike aku pe ai ke tonga foi keke, pia mono ki kato teu, pia au ku whatu walu, au whiaka ua ngokumi, pia keke aki ai toka wanoa, pia moe whalafihu. O pike atu peia ai keke mo no fuatanga, koe koloa ai whai whekau hamoa nā ne whai e mari.
Pati pati!
Oia pe, tā mai pasi.
Okay, this cake is going to be given to the Whaipeao who led today. Again, it's been taken with a piece of the iegonga, a decorative basket. Tongan tapa, they come in different sizes. And if you have seen a Tongan tapa, between two lines, we call it a fold. So when you get 10 fold in a tapa cloth, it's called a fotanga, plus the Tongan mats and everything else that's going with it. So if I may ask for someone who's going to take the whaiwhekaus or the whaiwhekaus cake to come up and take it, please. So everybody feel free to go and get some desserts while we carry on with this. We're almost done.
Koe ki koroa koe ni, me potu mai ki mua. Pamoromore koe ki koroa koe ni, koe ki koroa ea ai MC o aho ni. Kamalo lahi atu, susila, ka umaapo hahau. Koe ke hane ea te umak, o pouka ia pe homo lava memi Australia. Koe ke hape ea ke whakatatau aki, ko omo o wha. O ia ko wha ki atu pē ai ki koloa koe ni e pulpulu atu ki he waka. Ka more ia o waha ngahi tono no. O ia.
Okay, well, the last cake, the mothers have decided to give it to the bride's uncle, who's the MC today. And that lengthy tone speech, we don't really need to know about it because it was to him. So, yeah, we'll play some music, please. Thank you.
Koe ki mahalo pena ia ki tu fefine o seki na toki hao. Whamare mole koe ni ki whai keke e awe peti ai me loto honga ia mo oni.
Okay, to the sister of the groom, where is the sister of the groom? Can you please stand up and these ladies will bring you your cake. Come meet them.
Koe koloa whakawasien, whamore iang iau.
Okay, I don't see anybody heading for the desserts bar. Just another reminder, feel free to help yourself to the desserts now. Yeah, because apparently we're only giving a small time frame before they pick up the desserts bar.
Buffet is still open. There's no one needing any food from there, so we'll start taking it away. Otherwise, grab some food from there if you still hungry before they start taking it away. Thank you.
Kole mole koe tau koloa whakawasien. Leo mo ai tu tamaki kai tu puke fefe. Koe koe ki tama fefine. O si wala mari o tupulaki, o toka wanoa mo whatiwha. Kono mohenga mole, o awepe koe whatiwaru, awhi aka ua mo unu. Ia keke aki pe ai whatua marere, laku ki ai mohono mea kālani mohono kato. Kono marasa pate, koe whatanga, awhi aki ai e toma. Koe wala koe kai o kufuatanga au fiaki ai e toma. Umea kotoa ko ini e fua ki pe mai tamai mo fae aseki ai umea katoa ko ini o pe kai ke hen hone ki tanga seki o ia fua ki pe mai fae mo tamai o ia pe malo.
Okay, last but not least, again, I'll have to give you a little bit of a background story, and please forgive me if I'm wrong on this, so you can understand what this is all about. With a Tongan traditional wedding, there's what we call walamali, which is obviously... Huh? Speak louder. Okay, sorry. There is 3 different sets of tapa and mats that we give away, but the mothers give away when the bride gets married. So we call one of them, there are 3 here, is called the wedding mats, 1 reception mats and tapa, and the other one for it's a giveaway, it's appreciation of the bride's family to the groom's parents. So it can go either way. The mothers can either give it to the mehikitanga of the groom, the aunt of the groom, who's the mother of the father of the groom. But because Sex Aunt is not here, the bride's moms have decided to give all of these to Zach's parents. And that's it. Thank you so much.
Alright, so feel free to take them off that DJ. Yeah.
Ko e lawa ia e whatongia, pa o kore peki ha moa ko mo ke pe o ko ke toi mai, ka pa o mo whi mao ke te pire. Ko ia pe malo. Singing hot, baby. Now that's one way. I just bring it up, baby. And I'm an enemy. It's easy to get away. 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 Yeah, I'm about to go out. My boy, mama, it's easy to get away. It's easy to get away. Yeah, away. Basta, 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 away. Singing hot, baby. Down my way. I just bring it up, baby. Mama, name in my head. It's just get away. It's just get my way. It's just get away. It's just my way. Yeah, I'm
Okay, the remaining cakes that are on the table, they are not for any one of you Tongans. They are all for the Samoan family. Thank you.
Thank you.
Malo e tau lava, whātaro whātu le paia malmamano, le afiafi. Now we come to the very most important part of our occasion today. That's the exchange of gifts between the two families or between the two cultures. So before I move on to the Samoan side, I have to say something about the cakes over there, because we can't have all those cheers left over there. So now giving to us by the bride's family. All those are for the Samoan. Sorry, we don't want to get sick because of eating the cakes. So, just grab one cheer and give it to the Sungai le Whawhiangainga, Paia le Taninga Leaso. Grab the other ones, that's through the bride's family. I go to Matai. And one for the, how many left? 7? For the Kromus family. The other one for all the bridesmaids over there. Oh, I want to see the coach of Sakayo's rugby team. Is he here? Or is she here? Okay, so the one for the coach over there. Okay, thank you very much for that. So now we move to the next part. So I have to practice my Tongan. So my Tongan family, if I pronounce some words wrongly, yeah, I'm a Kina, the learner of the Tongan language.
Le ilo fa Samoa.
So, koe ata mo wau, ke u whakahoko ai o wau, koe whaki, ko roa, koe mau whanua.
Oh, malo.
So, what it means by that, I just asked the people there, the MC, just to give me the opportunity so that I can perform my cultural obligation of sharing or of the presentation of our Samoan side. Today, as I said before, is the interchange or the exchange of gifts between the two families. That's an indication or simplifying or just a way of showing the two families are now become one in the name of Jesus Christ through Whaipoiponga. If you don't know what Whaipoiponga means, yeah, that's what we have today. Hey, I tele tu fia vai loma mai nganga na asa le tamba o taro lo vasa a wale aso ta whaingata e whaleata o te mua lava o na au taia le tawai e whai mato o suru le tausulunga e a pe whetalainga e sāpapa mau whae te whia maari foi pa ia o le ngana e whaingata pa ia wa whia te kua malmota nei pa ia mamaru a le sursunga e Whaipoiponga whioi o le tala le nei lulunga ni fau au me mamai pa ia inga na lua e ngata i tu Samoa a te apa e foi so a inga tonga E ale pa ia maulunga sa mo le poto le nei aso. Le leo maluta we ai. Le tupua ma le lau ai nei. Pa ia lau sunga ele whawhenga inga. O le ata auto e whata whaita uranga e fia. O talitono pa ia nā o le lalo langi nei. A pa ia whea amari ngā luenga mai le tua. E le ta aui. I le mālo le tua e ala i e suke riso. Le li i whaola. O le paia whea o sa moa. Mai ale me oso a ele la. Se iau ale me koe ngoko ele la. Ta oto. Umoa matule i tua ama la tau ainga le tai malwa fongti. Lato fatu ainga tausi. Tēnā le fwoi pa ia o le nai tala. Wā tātou mafutanga. Ea masi o ainga tonga le nei aso. O le tamau le tama whai poipo. Ea o le whionga ia whamui nā. Soka matai. O au. O le isi fwoi whamui nā. Lea lau o tautala le aso whai a masui. O le whionga ia whamui nā ma whaitua o mātua o le tama whai poipo. Ea whai se tala. Whaftai. Tai lau sunga le whai whi au. Lofi tai tunga le nei aso. Ma whi au mani ngā ruenga a warsa kala bitu pa ia. Ea o na ele wha mani tunga le whapeiponga. Kei o na maua le nei aso. Whaftai fwoi pa ia i se mātou ainga a le malea e eilo piko kauikonga se umakana le gafa. Ea mālo whaftai nei aso. Kai ni whaaroalo. Ea meise o le tō anga nuu. Ea lo whale nei aso. Whaftai fwoi pa ia lau waraulia. Ai meise sa mō poto le nei aso. Tātou te maru mawina. E le aso fia fia. La fionga il tua la foa. Ea wa pia fwoi la na mana mea. Ea le tuku mai tonga, tuku mai tai mai tonga. Ea o nei aso o te loa ua whaisi ubi o le whala. O le aso vevela fwoi le whala. Ea ua alu fwoi le aso wha au ngasel pa ia mal maulungu o le tātou mawhitanga. Odo whapea lea. Lo sunga le whawhea ngai. Le la tau whai atu a inga o le sunga ia Sakayo. Ea au ase mea arofa. E leo se taui, e leo se te tongi o le whiau mara ngā ruenga. A o le mea arofa. Lau sunga. Ea mo le mawhitanga le aso. Lau whaasolo. Ea o le whatamari o lau sunga. Ea ole ta pai mali ka fitalo ia fatino ai ulanga fa au te ronei ola suata le sua ea lewa tu ile tu te utusi ole pusa puro makau fa faingo fi ai ia la suga ele lo se la tala ia ai momoli atu le tonga la ole to fale ala sunga ile sunga le fai au fa be ponga le yaso ya wa foi le pa boy ya ole afia mai to le fo mal princess mai tonga ya batule ole teutus ole arofalna ya mo la sunga lungani fau lima selau tala ya ua mai ale vaenga for our Tongan family. There's our the protocols of our Samoan culture. The presentation considered as a very high expression in our Samoan culture. The five out as we perform that rituals today. Now we come to the second part. I have to wear my eyes. Tapu ki ene a whia oku I o tau o Tolonga. Whakatapu I ke ono me amali. Whakatapu ki he me hiki tanga, ki whahu. And whakati he ongo mātua pia moe family hono kotoa. We have seen today your presentation, the exchange of gifts, that's to show your appreciation and how you love your Torah. Today, I'm not going to say too much because we've been here for so long. But Sarkayo's family, the parents of Sarkayo, we prepare a very significant way of expressing and showing our love, not only for Sarkayo, but the exchange of fine mat of the tapa and the mat given to Sarkayo's parents today. So this exchange to show how deep we love your daughter over here. Okay. As we did before to the minister, we do the same thing to your family. Okay, yours. And the ula goes to the whau. The hitikana, am I right? And this will be the whakamari. Whakaramari in Tonga. To the over there. The next part is the Purumakau in the box. I hope you love that part. Sorry, it's not enough for all of you, but once you open, you can use a spoon and share what's inside the can. Hey, that's a fine mat. For that box of Purumakau, and this is your kofa. In Tongan, that's your sleeping mat. Okay, the second part. You were talking about the old lady. She was talking about the different types of siapo and the name of the siapo. We also have the names of this fine mat. So this fine mat is prepared mainly to show our love for your daughter over here. Now becomes our people, not yours anymore. So I just look at I asked the Mehikita to receive this fine mat as appreciation of your gift today. And it's up to you who you have to give this mat to, or you can take it yourself. These fine mats are more nowadays cost $5,000, but let's give it free to you. Hey, and second to the last, this is our Mea Alofa, a gift to the family, monetary money, gift. It's I'm not really sure it's 1,000 or 10,000 or 1 million, but you count it. And last but not least, my friend over here, the father of the crew, has prepared a gift to the mother of the bride. So that's the mother of the bride. That's for you from the So this the last one, very last one. This gift here is for our pahu. Just to buy a lot tonight. So that's a conclusion of our presentation. Yeah, from a new tele tour in Osunga. Also, for Chino, Fatum will be Falanga, a war family Garwina. Mowan Yanga still, yeah, Wallo, Fangay, only Boni Ma, Osunga, yeah, Faforo, so for, yeah, whatever winner. But you tell Tato Mastangal Neafiaf, yeah, the time before he said to Lata Ape, yeah, I'm going to lay the tour. Tai file mu ia inga. Mawase maro longa file mu ka penga le loku kai au. Ia vi ia le tua. Pastai tele family tonga. Ia pastai. Bodi tele lua urunga rifo. Fai mai le fa matalanga ma fa mo nyanga rifi au. Ia fua fiti le new. What it means, not one, not two, but bundles. In bundles. Yeah. When you tell them so MC Leas Aldan. Yeah. When you for you ma call Tama 5.2. I miss for you ma tour Tai 5.2. Yeah. I'm single. But not available. Yeah, fast I tell you.
Sexual,
Ko kore pe ke u whanga he whakataku, u whakamore more pe. Ko uilo pe ko au kutu ai. Ka mo whakamore more, ko hui ko e teu e tahine tau lunga. Pe ko e tahine mari o e ahoni. Ko kore pe ke toma. Koe i tau, koe ki tuanga e tahine taulunga, koe ni pe o kolahi. E hao mo tahine taulunga ke o ki wewe kotoa koe ni, o kore pe ke tahine whamu. Kata ki whamore more mea mai o tō e teke tahine mari. Koe tōla e taha ase. Koe whakalangangi pe o e aho. Koe keha mea ria ma. Koe ke pūria ke a te koe where mo whafo e ngā whatongi a. Kau whenga pe ki whakakakato ngā mea kotoa pe. Ko hui pe koe eko tau tauhiki ai. Ai ne whahau, koe keha mea ria ma. Whamore more ria nge au. I tola taha ase koe nā taki ni mangi au, tō oia koe mea ia a au. Loto pe tahine ko tuplaki, ke tō o pe hono te ki. Koe tola taha ase. Ka whamore more atu pe ki he au tama mo kataki mea mai takai atu ai mea koe ni, koe mea kotoa pe ai whahu. Ka e te teu mai e tau tichei, te teu ki he tā mai ai Fasi o e tahine tau o lunga. Anu ma? Ngā takai e.
O specialite o ato.
Ai e tau lunga ki kāti me kakai pahanga ki whaikikau. Ko kore pe ti chei ko mau pe tahi mai whasi.
Thank you.
can follow after this one here. And you want the mic? Yeah.
Yeah, Lola Valley, on the side. Well done. We're almost here at the end of our occasion tonight. So now we're going to ask the girls over here, the groom sisters, to perform one or two items, then followed by a Tawalunga. There is a difference between the Tongan Tawalunga and the Samoan Tawalunga. The Samoan Tawalunga comes from when you put the last part of the roof of a house. That is what we call the Kawalunga. Once you put the Kawalunga, that's it. The house is covered. No more raining going through. So the girl is going to perform two items, and then followed by the Kawalunga. Then they will ask the bride and the groom to join the floor for the Kawalunga. And that's the last part from our side. Unless your side want something after from me,
You're not available.
for the night.
But you're not available, so it's all right.
Might be available later.
I have to take an
But anyway, yeah. How about you, girls? Don't worry, I will tell you when I will be available.
We better go to church tomorrow.
They come automatically.
Yeah, in ofensiva, yeah. Au soa le li pai poipo malo fartua, yeah, watu lo fa solo, e fa kene pelo fa solo. By the way, if you need that ula, yeah, you have to contact me. That's when I'm available.
Thank you.
We'll be free to the first one.
You want one?
Malay, Talofa, and Malo e Taulawa. I hope today is the day that the God has made, so we will declare it indeed before we carry on for our siwa to represent our fahu. And I would like the fahu to come down and have a few speech before the Taurunga is ready. I think the fahu is really happy today because he got plenty of cash in his hand. So fahu, come down with your best and get some money for me, eh? Ko whawhirai peke o tua, ko hiko ne o me whamari koe ni, ke whaia ta lunga e whahu ka mai whamiri sa mai ake. Mau tū whakatahape ko hiko e whine mare ahon, pa ku tau whiawhia ko toa pe ai. Ko e lea na whai to ang ki whamari koe ni ke whahu, whaniki I lea whamarope, pia toki whahapa te mau ta lunga.
Kole peke u whangat he whakata kai kalama fua ki he taki e whaimiri sa wai eke. Se whai pēha ki whakamalo. O wale au he rea whakahamoa, wale he rea whakapāngari, te rea whakatonga pe. Koe ki rea ko whai, ki reke whai mea ko te watu whakawhetai. Whamalo lahi ki he o tua. O ia ko le kei maari o ne tau whai. Tau hake ko akweti ko ko ke whai maari ko ni ke whafunga whamanga tia umanis ana whafunga ke he ki ake kono ngahi to koua e ne tau akalere ke whakakaua whine motu atu atua I he ahon o kula me pe o ia he whahina I o na wungi e pia ka hukai whoki ke nau I he ko tui koe me aia o ko ka ua whalamulare a koe ni o whalahia ki he o mo whamiri ka mo tala monua ka whakawhoki e whakamari ki he taki o e whamiri sa mai eke.
Maole, teke kamata e tau whasi, sa waeke ko toa pēku heni, and all of you come from Tonga and Samoa. This is our occasion for today for the Siva for his tour at the front end. And before that, I'd like to invite the couples, Saka and Lucky, come and take the question ahead and keep it for your starting your choice this year. Come. And for Mona Lisa Lahi, please come forward and receive the donations from Sawayake family. Mona Lisa Lahi.
Itu kon Mona Lisa Lahi. Okay, si ipe fra mole.
I think she's not
Sai
here.
peke
Can I
tau
do
ilo.
And the rest of the staff at the front, Mona Lisa,
Lisa, Lisa.
take this stuff. We know that you are single now. Find another man. Plenty difficult to see. DJ, get ready to hit me.
Floor is open.
Yo
Take it all.
here. You guys will be next.
Kia ora everyone. I know it's been a long day now, so everyone's been for now. I'm just gonna read out my speech. I guess I think I'm a little bit drunk now, so wish me luck. To my Tongan family, malo tau lava e hai ni kau ku o tuu ke whai eki ki lea whaka malo ke hi kau holau mai ki e ki hau whaka whiawhia mo whaka ofa. Ofa atu ki a Sek mo Mona Lisa e naha au whaka whiawhia kau koe pe ke utala noa, whakapālangi, pe ke mahino katoa.
Malo, thank you.
I wish I didn't swear. Chill, I wanted to say, Hey, hey! I know this is a happy day. It's not a funeral day. But to my Samoan family, e o tele so ina le loto nai tu tolu o sa nganga. Mal fale ono le tinganga e o te ta ia foi te whaitoa mai le ava nei tu malama. O te momolava anau sa ua le pa aware o lunga le nei asu. Sulo sunga de whawhengai. O lau sunga de ali whai puponga. Ka pia fo i lea whio mai o tupu mai e o Samoa. Tainane whare upolo tō whinga. Ai meise a inga, o, au me mai. Mai e masani. Manu mantele i le au wala au dia. Malo au fua ai lau wamaua. I le lofa mare ana leo le tua. Ai au le au tau whai e wha umalau la uma i le whaperatania. Malo le lei, talofa lava, and welcome to you all. I thank you all for coming near and far to celebrate this special day of Mr. and Mrs. Noah. It's bringing a whole new meaning when family and friends come together to witness the love two people have for each other. I would like to thank to our Lord Jesus Christ for blessing Seth and Mona Lisa and continue to guide them. Bless them with fruits of wisdom, courage, and love. Thank you to our elders who have taught them the birth way of our tradition and culture, so you may have passed down to your children. To Sek and Mona Lisa, we wish you all the best, happiness and love. You both deserve husband and wife. May our God walk you both together hand in hand in trust, love and harmony. Whew. That's it. But I just want to talk about a little about my relationship with Sek. So we start our relationship on rugby. So yeah, I'll say the good things, but don't say the bad things. I know. Don't worry. As the pastor was saying at church today, you're the head of the family, so I guess one of these is going to be the head. So yeah, so we Sax a middle name we call him Whakatawa. So as you guys all know, there's a halfback, played for Highlander. He's a Tongan, called him Whakatawa. So that's why we call him Whakatawa, because he's the shortest and he's a good halfback. I think that's why Mona Lisa like. I just want to keep it short and sweet. So, if I please ask you all to join me with a toast. So, please raise up your glass. It's alright, you can raise anything. Cheers. So let's make a toast to the happy couple. May our Heavenly Father to be the center of your marriage. May He bless you both with many years of love, joy, happiness. As we say in Samoan, Ia fua telele strawberry. To the bride and groom, Manuia. Whakawhitara. So we'd like to call up the boys, the groom. Can you please come up so we can do the dance for the new couple.
All boys.
So DJ, spin that wheel. DJ Flash.
Giây phút em gặp anh là si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình con tình tình con tình tình tang tang tang. Anh tính sao rồi để anh tính sao?
pia mai alunga hokoga. Katak.
Te kore peke o hufanga e ngai whakatapu ko se no a whaki atu mei buani. A tā mō ke whenga maria ko e ni. Ko ki tarunga ko e ni, ko ki tarunga pe a samisoni pe a mua pauta. Pe a pehe ki a Mrs. Pauta. I ola si pia he mapā pāri a pauta. Ni he mai ko ratai. Ko e tarunga ko e ni, ko ma ki tarunga. Ui ngā he o malolo tonga ua. O au ke whahai arisa, pia pia ua ke whahai ke pū. Pakoi au ma tūpe ke ai pe ai ki tarunga, e maki i whanau. Koia pakuanga peheni re vaia. Koe tek-teki kono o talafungani, koe tahaki. Kana e anga peheni na ai pe ke whak mai tōta. Pai o whakakau-kau, furahe sira ia ai whae. Pepe ke to'o ni mangeau he whahae e taha to'o ia mai whae. Laka mai rewa hataha o to'o, ko hai o ngofua ke to'o he ulo talafungani. Koe komua. To'o e whahae e taha o awea ka monarista. Malo e taui. Kia malo e whai katongia. Koe whahai koe taha, ko kore peke awe ia ma e io awe mai o mea mari, he kona aho. O ku whakakaukau au me lahi ane mea ai whahe, he mea au mea mari. Ka taka mole mole tupulaki mo seki, o ka taka mai ki moani o to'o atu ai seliti ko eni. He ulo talafungani. Koia. O whamalo heni ki a talafungani, ko hui ko ne tū ke whai ai taulunga ai motua ko eni te unga uri kono nofo me mui. Ko whamalo lahi ki a teia, hui ko ne roto maulalo. Kataki ti chei, katake whanau, anuha, Nuksi, Areseni, o hao rewa ki moani, teu mai ke aha pare o sia. Teu mai tiche, tai pasi kata whamoremore.
Oh,
Karena gua nggak mau dia tahu di file yang kita lalu nggak itu kaki mai kan kalau gua mau kelama itu kami kita tadi.
Malo pe agua. Halo Mario lagi pakai tutup.
Pasi imay foi. Pas gan filma to nga la dosa na talo. Talo en autopu ko na autom talo ngai. Sai, to my Samoan Ainga, my tongue and Ainga. Anyone here from Lel Moenga? Please raise your hand. You from Lel Moenga? Talofa. I am from the Piliai clan. And you remember when Chief Piliai Jose, when he passed, I was the one who decorated his bed. This is the MC's item. Anyone here from Lemoina, from Fuamoto, from Tonga? This is our item. This is from me, from the DJ. But before we carry on, I'd like to ask Lisa, the mother of the groom, of the bride. Lahi pa angaya mo mi amali. Fua ke au ta lunga. Ke ame mai fa e ko ni. Mahaloi ta ke fa nau. To mai to to pa. To ko lo to le pa kia. Kamalo te tahu panau kaya to no MC ahoni ko ni tamai vani ko pekia amana ke tahu ka epeleli ke de fakakaka to ato ai fato mia o fato DJ ta ima ko fas ai mai pas ba ba me con hosi ke lele te ke oma.
Voice your item is next.
Ready? Maro siva. Ya. Perkomu bela fala ya. O ven facing maro loma ko inga makuama loma ko. Ya, ola fa pupus fam kalanga la ingai ya olo swa fosios. Ola ma kuku esa mo ya malanga ma fani usila ya ole sunga manuia wa inga ma. Ya, okay. Coach le United Brothers, yeah. Avele Kamisangalela Green Sabo, yeah. Sec. He's one of our committees, so we're here to support him. So yeah, it's not going to be a long one. It's a short and sharp one. So can I just call my boys to come to the front, please? Aire o mera uso lumenge, yeah. Sec. And chill for the tour, yeah. Wish you guys all the best. We'll go first. Thanks for having us today. It's a big day for you guys, especially both families, Tongan and Samoan. So it's good to see the culture in there. So kami ala fasing bako si Samoa leo, yeah. Na maka konselau, yeah. Fai van selau, we are yes, as it was.
Ole tawaluma, ole afai.
First hands of the new couples.
My love, here I stand before you.
still time. Floor is open. DJ, you play a few songs. Floor is open for everyone. Now we're coming close to the end. I need riding grooms to say their speech.
Hello guys. I know it's here been long, so I'm going to start at the Tonga language first, and then I'll start my language after that to say thank you all guys for coming today. Kainga family, ko whakamalola i atu kia te ike mō tolu. O mō mea mai e anon. Ao whiawhia mo e au whakau ko fofa au pito. E kai ke whiunga aku ea whakamalo atu. Ka walu family, I am forever in debt to you. Ko oro whalai atu. E nei taimi e mole atu aile anga whawhtai e losu mal whawhengainga mal whatua. E ngata lea pa ia man malu leo fia sa mō putu. E ala leo o e sumtanga ona sa mō ri e vivia. Nuno atu iau pa ia e tolou e tolou lawa. Ave e nei taimi e mole atu an ma whawhtai. Ia inga, sewa inga, ia inga ngalua, ia mole whawana ina tō taimi au tali mai mon mau ina maa su whiwhia a te lea wōma au wheleni whātasi mai ni e whiwhi maurunga ni e whiwhi of tairo se mga whengainga ia mo lea umalawa sau ni a upu whamnianga ia tuina mai fwoi maa ue mātu te ola ai ia ma whaua i maa inga o lea tu whawtai tele lawa i loisunga la whengainga i ma whatua sa fwoi mare upu ia umano loto na wara matanga i se matoa inga ia Paula is whawtai ia se watule se o tō ue wha o matu ma whawtai. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm going to keep it short and simple. I really like to thank everyone for coming out today. The weather hasn't been that great, but you guys still pulled through and I appreciate you guys for that. To my bridesmaids, thank you for putting up with all my mood swings. I know I was a bit up and down, especially to my maid of honor, who failed her duties and had one of the groomsmen take over. Oh, I thought you left. To the pastor, thank you very much for coming in last minute and taking in our requests. Today was absolutely beautiful and wouldn't have been possible without you, so thank you for that. Catalina. Malalahi o si tayo kole. Ko ilo i pep kai kia happahu. Ka ke si ilo tala ilo i pep ke si hao. Tau katonga ia. Ko kala malalahi a ka koi. Ko si hao whai upoto. To my Bauta family. Auntie Viola. None of this would have been possible without you. Words could never be enough to thank you. I know it's been a really rough month for all of us, especially you, but not once did you complain. You threatened me a lot, but not once did you complain. Even when you didn't agree to the way I had things set out, or agree to a certain color, you still went with what I wanted. And you made all of this possible for me, and I could never thank you enough. Yes, ilo I peko whae, ko ni mawale. Lava peo, talahui. Whae peho loto. Ko whakamālolahi ka koe. Lusha, Sigi. MJ, I could never thank you enough. 6 a.m. shifts, coming home, staying up until 2 in the morning, just to do what I wanted, what I needed. I could never thank you enough. Dad, even when you would call and I would scream through the phone because I didn't agree with what you wanted, even if you wanted something different, you would let us slide because you knew that I'm a hardhead just like you, and I will always fight for what I want. And I'm sorry that I put you through a lot with all the spring prep, but thank you for loving us. For my family that came from afar, Sila, thank you. To my in-laws, I'm sorry if I ever fell short on anything. I apologize that I can't speak Samoan. I asked Daniel to teach me, but he didn't teach me. Oi, thank you guys for coming out. We really appreciate you guys. Today would not have been possible without you. To my whakaatas, to Molly, Uncle Molly, thank you so much for coming through. I know you just lost your wife, but you still came and supported me. You've always been supporting me. Lani, Fia, thank you. I wish Auntie Mafa was here in person instead of on a shirt. But thank you. Thank you guys. I truly appreciate it.
Thank you, both of you. I'd like to welcome one of our ministers, Stone. He's a brother of mine. Say a few words before we can continue on.
Watapu ke a whio e au mare mani o ni o tau lotolotonga. Tangata Tonga, tangata Samoa. Whaipegi i rea nou whamalo. A whio o tua e mea kotoa pe. Whamalo o waki pe ki he whamiri o ke pu, whamiri sawai e ke, whewhekau, Atangi, pe ke asika, mi kotoa e whamiri sawai e ke. Whamalo ki he whangatokoua o ke pu, moenoa, iki o, murawa mai, i e ahoni, ke whai e whatongia ko eni. Whamalo eni ke whamiri kotoa pe o Mona Lisa, Watsoni, Kuki Kawaru, i kotoa e whamiri. Whamalo lahi ke maheni, mo tonga kotoa pe i e fiasko eni. Whamalo ke a Petero, ka masio no hoa mo e whamiri, i e hoa ko eni. Whamalo ake sola mo e urangi, i lawa e whatongia ahoni. Whamalo ma ke heni ke masi ka maha no hoa, nasi lawa mai mi konua lahi, Australia, o i ka whatongia ahoni. Tukulaki, ka maa, sek, ko e ngata anga e whai whatongia e whamiri, ia te kumoua, e ahoni. Oko atua ho mo, kamata ho mo whamiri, i e koe tala e whai whekau, i e kamata o e tau wheo e ahoni. Ko hi koe whamiri fōu ko mo whau, ke kamata pe a ka aisi isu. Ko ia o whalahi ati a te kumotoro ko tape, I e whainga maari ko e ni. O te whaatarofa atu, te paia, maare, ma marua, tātou, poto renei, yafi. Whaatarofa, pa toa atu e, reau whainga aroenga, paia are, atua. Ua tātou, mafuta, whatasi renei, itu aso e. Whafo iai re ianga, i re atua. Aua, o ai re aua, mafuai. Ona tātou, potopotoi, re nei aso. Talofa lava. Ua what.
Thank you. Is there anyone from the Samoan wanted to say something? Or word, speech or something? That's it. So we are coming to the end of our program for today. Get the DJ to play a few songs and then get everyone on the floor. Enjoy maybe 15 minutes or get out of here and go home. Enjoy.